So once we have our zones wired, our thermostats and our zone valves, we need to activate zoning on the controller. Find the left arrow button, press and hold for 5 seconds until we see a service menu. Press the minus button to go down, to installation. Press the right arrow to access installation. The arrow is currently on system, so that's where we need to go. Press the right arrow again. And now it will give us 3 options: heat source, optimum and zoning. Press the minus button to go down to zoning. Highlight it with the right arrow. And now activate it if you have 1 zone. Press the plus button once. If you have 2 zones, you leave it at 2. Now your stats and zone valves are activated. Press the left arrow 3 times to come back out to the home screen.